Welcome to online classes, student. So today in our class we are going to start our chapter 8. Okay, as we all know that chapter it is about money, and we are on second part of exercise conversion of rupees 8A. Okay, now we had done our convert into paisa. How we converted? By multiplying by 100. Okay, to rupees. And now let's do the conversion of rupees. How we can convert the rupees, okay, into how we convert the paisa into rupees. We have to convert now. So you can see the example of your book, page number 95. Second example, how we convert the rupees and paisa into paisa. Okay, so how we will convert it? You can see there is 593 paisa, right? There is 593 paisa. Now what we have to do here? We have to make a point where we can take as them, okay, as rupees. So in the example there is something written for us. To convert paisa into rupees and paisa, put point after counting two numbers from the right of the given number. So this is the given number for we have, and what they said, count from the right. Which one is right side? This one. What we have to count? We have to count two digits. 1, 2. Now we have to take point here. If there is four numbers, right? There are four numbers. Like I will suppose 5, 5, 5. Then we will count two digits from our right side. 1, 2, and we will take point here. From the right side we have to count 2, and then we will take a point. That will be make your rupee. Okay, that we convert rupee and paisa. Now you can read it as 55 rupees and 55 paisa. And same here we can read as 5.93, as we can read as 5 rupees 93 paisa. Okay, so this one is from your example. So let's do our exercise here. So students, you can see the next is 756, which one is A, right? So let's do this. The first one is 756 paise, and then B is 2569, right? We have done 569 is paise, and now we have to convert it. As I said, we will write it first is equals to 500 756. Now we have to count from the right side, right? 1, 2, and take a point here. So it's become 7 rupee. Okay, you can take it 7 rupee 56 paise. Okay, now let's do this one. So you can see here, we can write it here 5609, and how we can read it? From this side 1, 2, we will take point here, and our answer is rupees 25.69 paise, right? So this is our A and C. Let's do our D1, right? So D1 is 1324. So let's write it. C1 is 1324 paise. 1324 paise. Now we will convert it into rupees, right? So let's do this. 1, 3, 2, 4. Let's count it. 1, 2, and take a point here, which we make 13 rupees 13.24 paise. Okay, so this one is our third one, which means C1. Let's do the D1. Okay, so which one is our D1? So we are going to do D is 9620. 9620. Okay, let's do this. Now here is 9620. 9620. Now we will count it from the right side. 1, 2. After the 2 digit, we will take a point which make a rupees 96 rupees point 25 paise. So we can write here rupees and here is paise. Okay. If you want to write paise in a short form, you can write P and dot. It will be a short form of paise. Okay. Now the E1. So let's do the E1. I am going to rub the first. E1 is 50,239 paise. So we have to convert it. So you can see, again we have to apply the same rule. We will take two digits. We have to read from the 2 digit 1, 2, and we will take point here. Okay. Now we can read here rupees 503.23 paise. Okay. This one is our E answer. Let's do the other one. Which one is the last one? 96,568. 96,568 paise. Let's convert it. So when we write it like this, okay, see students, from the 2 digit, then we will take point 1, 2, take a point, which means how we will read it? Rupees 965.68 paise. Okay, so we had done our second part also. Now we will do our third part of exercise 8A. Now we had done our first part, second part also. Now do the third part. In the third part we have to fill up the blanks. So we have blanks. So let's do this. So student, the first blank is rupees 10 dash paise. How many paises? How we make the 10 rupees to paises? So let's do this. This one is our third part of our exercise 8A, right? So let's fill up the blanks first. So you can see this one is very simple because we have done conversion of rupees and conversion of paisas, right? So as we have converted, so we learn that how to convert again. So you can see the first one is rupees 10. We have to convert into paisa. So when we multiply 10 by 100, it becomes 1000, right? So we will take here 1000. Okay. Now come to the second one. Second one is 802 paisa, which we have to convert into rupees. As I said, firstly count from the left side. Right side. 1, 2 and 0. It's become 8.02, which become rupees 8.2 paisa. Okay. Let's do this one. We having 1685 paisa. Now we have to convert into rupees. As I said, if there is 4 digits, we have to read from the right side 2 digits and then take a point. So 1, 2. This means it's become 685 rupees. Okay, 60.85 rupees. Let's do the D1. In the D1 you can see there is 27.95, which we have to convert into paisa. Okay, so very simple we have to do. Here we will write 2795 only. No point will be here. Then this one is our paisa. Okay, now come to the next. This one is E, rupee 0.523. Okay, so we have to convert into paisa. Simple, we will just remove the point and the answer will be the C. 5, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's do the other one. Which one is F? Now we have paisa 9096 rupees. Okay. So we have to convert into the paisa. So rupee. So what we will do, we will count from the right side 2 and then take a point. So it's become, how much it's become? Rupees 90.96 paisa. Okay. This one is G, where is 8000 paisa we have to convert into rupee. Okay. So let's do this. After the 2 digit we will take a point. So here will be 8000, right? Take a point. It's become rupee 80 and 0 paisa, right? So this one is a G. Let's do the last one. Which one is 79 and we have to convert into paisa. So this one is your last one, sum, and when we have to convert into paisa, what we will do? We will multiply 79 by 100, so it's become 7900 paisa. Okay, 7900 paisa. So as we have done now the third part of our chapter exercise 8A. Okay students, this one is the end of our exercise 8A. Now let's do some addition in the money. If we have 10 rupees and if we had 20 rupees and when we plus it, it's become 30, and we have 100 and in the other hand we have 200. When we collect them, when we together, it's become 300, right? So how we will convert it? Let's do this by the addition. So add the following amount. So you can see in your upper section we have addition of money. The parent saying that we add money as we add numbers, right? When we number, just example, if we have number 2 and number 3, when we plus, it's become 5 number. As the same, when we have rupee 5 and we rupee 2, it's become 7. Okay. So let's quickly, we will do our addition also for our exercise 8B first part. We will do only the first part because we have to do in our book that one, that portion only. The second and third portion we will do in the next class. Okay students. So let's start the next one. So I'm going to rub this one firstly. So students, the first is 14 rupee 65 paisa at 22 rupee 55 paisa. Okay, you can write on your copies or in your notebook if you want to do this. If you want to write these sums, if you want to solve these sum in your book, so you can do this also. Okay, it's on your wish. So let's do the first one. What they done here? They have divided first rupee and paisa. As in the first, when we divide the numbers into 1000, 100 and in this portion, how we will write it? As same, we have to divide them into rupees and paisa. So first one is 14, rupee 14, and the other side is 60 paisa. And then we have to add 22 rupee. In the next side 55 paisa. So let's do this. You can see it's become 5, 6 and 5 become 11, and here is point, and this 1 is going to here to another number as we do the addition. So there is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's become 7, and 1 and 2, it's become 3. So our answer is rupees 37 point we have to done, because we are showing rupees different and the paisas are different. Okay, so they having their section. So rupees 37.50 paise. So this one is our first answer. as we have to do these all sums as the same, you can see how we have to plus it as we are doing addition, the simple addition. The same thing we will apply in this addition, okay, money addition. Thank you student, for that's all for today. If you have any query related to your chapters, please share your problems, queries into the classroom group. Thank you.